Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jeet Physics Tech. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for daily updates. Previous topic we are studying about graphical representation of equation first of motion. Today we will study about graphical representation of equation number second of motion, which is s is equal to ut plus half at square. So firstly we make graph of velocity time graph of uniform acceleration. Here is initial velocity is this is initial velocity as we make in previous video. This is v, this whole is v, which is final velocity. Now join this and then join this, also join this. A, we make point A, B, C, D and here is E. So friends, it's our graph diagram ready. Now we will solve this, derive this. In this equation we have to find distance, which is denoted by s. So to find distance in this diagram, the distance is the whole area covered by the diagram is called distance. A, O, B, C, D. This whole area is covered by is called distance. So S is equal to area of diagram A, C, D, O. A, C, D, O. And area of A, C, D, O is equal to area of A, C, B plus area of A, B, D, O. Area of ACDO is equal to area of ACB, which is triangle, and AODB, which is rectangle. Now find area of ACB and ABDO. Area of, firstly find ACB. Area of ACB is equal to, it's a triangle. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. What is base in this triangle? AB and height CB. So we put the value of base and height. Half base is AB and height is CB. Area of ACB. And in this diagram AB is equal to time t. So denote AB as t, and CB is equal to change in velocity, which is also equal to, we have learned in previous topic, change in velocity is equal to AT. So put value of change in velocity AT. AB की वैल्यू t into CB वैल्यू AT. So area of ACB is equal to half AT square. It's our first equation. Now area of ABDO is equal to, in this diagram ABDO is a rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So length of this diagram is AB and breadth is AO. AB is equal to T and AO is equal to U. Length into breadth, so length is AB and breadth is AO, which AB is also equal to T, so put value T, and AO is also equal to U, so put value U. Now this is UT. Area of ABDO is equal to UT. S is equal to area of diagram ACDO. ACDO is equal to this, so value of S is equal to area of ACB plus area of ABDO, which is equal to U half AT square. This value is half AT square, and second equation, from second equation this value is UT. Rearrange it. S is equal to UT plus half AT square dash drive. I hope you all understand. Now come to third equation of motion. V square is equal to U square plus 2S. In previous equation we find S is equal to area of whole figure. So this figure is trapezium. Which figure? Whole figure is trapezium shape. So area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 sum of parallel side into height. From second equation of motion by graphical method, we have by graphical method S is equal to area of trapezium, and area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 base into height, 1 by 2 sum of parallel side, parallel side into height. Cut this, sum of parallel side into height. So the parallel sides in this trapezium diagram is parallel side AO is parallel to CD, and what is the height of trapezium? DO is height. So let's find. To find, we put the value of this AO and CD, we plus the sum parallel sides and put the value of height OD is equal to 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides AO plus CD into height is DO is equal to AO is also equal to, in this diagram AO is equal to U and CD is equal to V and OD is equal to T. So put value. AO is equal to U plus CD is equal to V into DO is equal to T. Now friends, we want to eliminate T from the equation, and this done by obtaining value for T from equation number first of motion. Equation first of motion is V is equal to U plus AT, and V is equal to U plus AT, V minus U is equal to AT, T is equal to V minus U upon A. So value of T is V minus U upon A. Put the value on this equation, 1 by 2 U plus V and V minus u upon a is equal to u plus v bracket close v minus u upon 2a. Here s we are finding value of s, so s is equal to now 2as. It comes this side and into 2s is equal to v minus u plus v. Solve this is equal to v square minus u square. 2as is equal to v square minus u square. Rearrange this. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. So friends, it's derived. I hope you all understand. Friends, you can also take a screenshot if you want, and I hope you all understand. Okay friends. Friends, thanks for watching my channel Jeet Physics Tech. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily update. Bye bye.